Future trends and innovations in Apache Spark and Scala. As technology continues to advance rapidly, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and understand the future trends and innovations in Apache Spark and Scala that will shape the future of data processing and distributed computing. The rise of cloud computing and streaming data. Apache Spark has been leading the way in leveraging cloud infrastructure to handle massive amounts of data efficiently. The role of Spark ecosystem in data integration and analysis. The Spark ecosystem has expanded significantly in recent years, offering a wide range of tools and libraries for data integration, analysis, and visualization. From Spark SQL for querying structured data to MLlib for machine learning, businesses can leverage the power of Apache Spark to streamline their data workflows and drive better decision-making. Emerging trends in data mining and software development. Apache Spark's parallel processing capabilities and Scala's functional programming paradigm enable developers to build scalable and reliable data processing applications. The future of Apache Spark and Scala in data management. Looking ahead, the Apache Foundation will continue to drive innovation in the data processing space, with Apache Spark at the forefront of cutting-edge technologies. Scala programming language's continued evolution and adoption in the software engineering community will further solidify its position as a preferred choice for data processing and analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future trends and innovations in Apache Spark and Scala are poised to revolutionize the way businesses handle big data, machine learning, and real-time analytics.